Hi, I'm Heather and welcome back to Cooking with the Tachnas. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my family's favorite cheese dip. This has been around literally my entire life. I have no idea who created this recipe, but it is phenomenal and my family will literally stand around it with sociable crackers. For some reason this is what they choose to eat with it, and consume it until it is gone. So my brother asked me to make this for Thanksgiving as an appetizer, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's so easy. And this is a double batch. The first ingredient is 2 softened 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese. It's better if you just leave them out and get to room temperature for a couple hours. It makes it a lot easier to mix it up. This is 2 containers of Old England Kraft cheese. It's 5 ounces. It's sold in the grocery store, obviously. You can also use Cheese Whiz, the spray cheese. That works as well. I find it easier to just empty out a container of this kind of cheese rather than standing here holding down the Cheese Whiz container until it's emptied. And then this is 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to mix this up first, and then I'm going to add in my vegetarian ham slices. We really like the plant-based. These are ham-style deli slices from Simple Truth, and they're delicious. So you can also make it with regular dried beef. That's how my family originally made it. You can make it with any kind of meat you want. You can omit the meat, but we like it. So I'm going to use my hand mixer, and as soon as I turn this on, my dog is going to start barking. There he is. So you want to get it nice and smooth so there's no chunks in it from the cream cheese. This is 5 slices of the veggie ham. So this lasts for a really long time actually. You just put it in the fridge. Don't freeze it, but it stays good for at least a week or so. This is what you get. You can season it to taste. If it's not salty enough, pour more Worcestershire on it. But I'm gonna try one with sociable cracker. My daughter already asked me if I could make an extra batch just for her, because she knows as soon as we take this up to my brothers, they're going to eat all of it. It's perfect. This stuff is so addictive. Just be prepared to want to sit down and eat all of it at one time. It is just absolutely delicious. So I highly recommend trying this. It's so easy and everyone will love it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell.